no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line. Charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rise and let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfolding like a thunderstorm show. Let that profit rain, let me feel it flow. NASDAQ dreamers, don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom, show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might.
Good morning. Good morning. October 18th, 2024. 7:15 a.m. for me, 10:15 market time. 10:17 market time. All right, nasty open. Today's options expiration for the month, so we could be choppy sloppy. I've already blown one PA account. No, not quite. I haven't blown it yet. But I'm down. So I'm going to be very cautious on my trading this morning. Let me look at a 15-minute real quick. If I can figure out how to get there. There you go. And so we are in the bear zone resistance area. You can see just sloppy. We came down this morning to the central pivot, pretty close to it at around 6:15, and held, moved up, came back and retested the top control during market hours. And yeah, we do have a little trend line on the 15-minute that looks like we're breaking now. So potentially a short. Yep, 1 minute just crossed. Just crossed below the 1 minute weighted moving average. And what do I need? I need do one. There we go. Okay. So yeah, we just came down, hit the bottom, bounced up. So there's some support right around in here. You know, we're in a up. I don't know what that is. Huh. Oh, that was yesterday's. Okay, so yeah, I got the opening range labeled here for the 15-minute. I don't know if I like it. I'm just testing it out. We got the overnight 50% range at 415 roughly, and the midnight open Eastern Standard Time at 362. So you can see just sloppy. Look at just not good trading time. You can still catch some trades, I think, on the 5-minute. Let's go check her out. I got so much crap open now. 5-minute. There we go. Well, 5-minute, same thing. All right, had this trend line. Busted down. Now we're back above it, back above the 1 minute weighted. So it just could be this way today. Just nasty trading. So trade small, and maybe not even trade at all. You know, last night, Michael were talking about it, and I was thinking, yeah, I won't even take a trade. And what did I do? I got a little FOMO this morning, played the open, and just got crushed like 5 times in a row. So I am now slowing down a little bit. I'm going to try to wait for the nice trades. You know, that's what I should be doing anyway. So let's go back to a 2 minute. So I'm down like $2,000 on my one PA account, and yeah, I think it's going to be gone. I don't know yet. I'm trying to take little 5-point wins now, and see if I can keep it going. I don't know. How do I want to do this? Probably. Oh, here we go. I'm already set up. There you go. All right. Do a good morning. Good morning. Oh, turn that off. Michael, I forgot all about you. There we go. Yes. Oh, we maybe not be back yet. All right. So what do we have here? So 5 minute. Obviously, there's resistance up here. I think ultimately, if we're going to continue to go up, we'll obviously break right through that. And I just don't have a lot right here. Let's try a 15 minute again. So on the 15 minute, yeah, we're in a big gap right here is what we're in, right? So this is a big 15 minute gap from here. Well, actually to right here. So that's what we just hit. So it might just take us a little bit of time to get through this area. Gotta get rid of some of this stuff. Get too much stuff on the screens. So you can take the 15-minute opening range break. 502, 503-ish. Every time we've done that, we've kind of failed. So if that's, oh, here you go. That's right. It was this opening range candle right there. So we've done it once, twice now, maybe 3 times the charm. Above that, we have Bear's Last Stand at 558, which would be a target for me. And then way up here at 659 is another target, which Bear's Last Stand would be a good target, because then you only got another 20 points up, and then you hit the top of that range. So however you want to play. All right. Below us we have Top Control, which is at 435.75. Today's pivot is 418.25. Michael Yin yet? Nope. Michael yet. And then Bottom Control, which is at 400.75. So there you go. That's kind of the rundown. So my bullish or bearish, hey, you're up 124 points. ES is only up 7 and YM is down 200. So I'm neither. Even though we're above the central pivot range, would indicate bullishness. And in fact, I would put bullish because we are above the CPR. Really, my bullishness would probably be a lot stronger up there, right? Down here, I'm just kind of mediocre bullish, right? Because we haven't really done anything this morning. So I'm kind of neither. I'm just kind of hanging out, watching. Let's see what happens. We get above here, could get interesting. Probably get above this 15-minute range and close a 5-minute candle above that. We've closed 1 minute above it. It didn't do us much. Got rejected each time. So, but 502 is definitely an area of interest. I got a couple evaluations going. Well, actually, I got one evaluation I'm up 1,100 on. Take Profit Trader, I'm up 300 on. Down 2,000 on PA and down 300 on a PA. So I'm not doing very well on my PAs right now. Again, just trying to play the 1 minute opening ranges and stuff, and I just got hammered, and I couldn't stop. I was like, oh, I got this. I can do this. Get a little cocky. All right, so let's go to a 5 minute. Let's just see if there's any improvements. You know, we're holding the 1 minute weighted moving average, so that's something. Let's stay on the 2 minute and see if we can get some trades here. You know, I could do something like that. Might look better. I'll stick with the wick for right now. Sometimes I do wick, sometimes I do bodies. Okay, Stephen, good morning. Yes, Stephen, that's pretty much all I trade. I mean, I've got a cash account. I just don't trade it as much. So, good morning, Stephen. Systematic. There we go. Now I'm set up now. All right, I got my I'm fighting for screen what do you call it? You know, I've got so much. I got so many charts that I have to watch, which is a 1 and 5, and then the 2 up here, and then I got a Trade-O-Vate off to my left, which is kind of tough to watch sometimes, and I miss a lot of trades and don't really pay a lot of attention to them. But this looks like a short right here. I'm a little late, so I'll give it a little more room. This was probably the proper entry right here, up there a little bit higher. All right, I need to change my ATM. It's a little small. 3 contracts, there we go. Again, it could just be real choppy today. So, I mean, I like this trend line break. We're back, trying to get back above the 1 minute weighted moving average, which I'm not excited about. I'll try to keep my my stops fairly tight, which probably is a negative for today. Just like that. Just like that. All right, so much for that. I could do this. This is pretty tough. Looks like we're gonna head up. All right, so really I should be playing longs, right? We have I'm gonna take one off here for $100 or something if I can get it. There we go. All right, so I'll take a quick long. All right, that was IB. See if we can get a move above the 15-minute weighted or 15-minute opening range break high. The 1 minute gap fills at down at 87, 487, which I'm not real excited about. But let's see, either we're going to go or not. So I'll just go to break even. Yep. 5 minute was right here at 95. So I'm going to slow down a little bit. All right, come back down, see if we can come back down and test this trend line. You know, just kind of ugly this morning, right? Just kind of ugly. I might take that break again at 502. And I think I might just take like 5-6 points, if I can get 6-7 points right there. Come on, baby. And then I'll keep a runner. This might be one of those days where we just kind of go up and down and over and around the 15-minute opening range break for a while. So if this one fails, I'll wait then for a break above bear zone. Dang you. Come on. Let's not do that. Yep. All right. This is why. Chia. Uh-oh. Let me know if this background music bothers anybody. Or if you guys can hear it even. And if you want to hear it. Can you hear it? Yoko's Lair, good morning. All right, so we came back, retested this trend line. Damn it. I hate missing no Michael yet. Oh, there we go. Now you're on.
Can you hear me?
Yep.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Test.
Yep. Can you hear me?
Test.
Yeah, I got you.
Can you hear me?
Yep.
You can hear me, right?
Yes. You can't hear me?
I can hear you through the speed, but not. That's fine. Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me now?
Yeah. USB. Okay, I want USB.
Option expiration dates are
Yeah, option expiration. Don't like it. But there was a short, damn it. 5-minute candle or 5-minute trend line break, as well as this 2-minute. I am not going to take it.
At the bottom of the bear zone.
Yeah, that's why I didn't take it.
Yeah.
I want to either break the bottom or break the top.
Yep.
Otherwise, I have to take a long right here. So we're coming back into the 1-minute opening range, which is 468.
Yep. Seems like the market made high the dip, so the rip.
Yeah. It's just an ugly chart. Like, I don't even like it. It's just ugly.
Not the best trade.
Just ugly. Come on. Let's look at here.
You know this.
I'll take a short above or below this guy. And then this guy, I mean, you almost got to play something like that. Right. Get rid of some of these fucking lines. Below the 1 minute. I think you just prepare for an ugly day of trading.
We knew this. We knew this last night.
I know. I know it. Shit pisses me off. I knew it, but I couldn't control myself on trading.
Yeah.
That's what probably irks me the most.
Like that 1 day a month where we have enough data to know that this is not the best day to trade.
Yeah. All right, we're still up 118. The EMAs down, up, 4 ups and 1 down. So, you know, if anything, yeah, I'm going to take a little long here. I'll just try to tighten my stop up. Problem is, I wonder what ATR is on the 1 minute. Probably pretty good size. Let's see. I think tonight what I'll do is on this indicator here, right off to the side here, I'm going to put ATR. That way I can just keep track of ATR also. All right, we're about 13 on the 1 minute. So not too bad.
24 on the 5. Sorry, 24 on the 3 minute.
Okay. So average true range, 13.4 on the 1 minute. You said how much?
24.
24 on the 3 minute. So I'm sure the 2 minutes got to be in the range of 16 or so.
I'll tell you right now. The 2 minutes is 19.6.
How much? 19?
Yep.
Wow.
That's with looking at that's with like a 30 period look at. So.
Okay. Come on, baby, let's go. Okay. And just a whole lot of flip-flopping going on. 5 minutes. We'll see how this trade plays out.
Yeah, my multi-contract thing is mixed up. So obviously.
Yeah. Actually, mine are all pointing up now.
Mine all.
Okay, we're down to a 12 ATR.
Huh?
Down to a 12 ATR in the 1 minute. So we're coming down a little bit. Come on, baby, get on up there. Where do I want to go? Well, how about right below the IB high? Now remember, on the 15 minute, this is about the area that starts a 15-minute sell gap.
Yeah.
Right? Right here.
The big one.
Yep, it actually is our 15-minute range. What do you know? Just about almost hits it right there. Let's see what that is the high is 504.75. We're at 502, I think. So, yep, that big 15-minute gap, and the top of that gap is 571. So we've already pierced it here. I would expect us to go at least the halfway mark on the next move up, which is somewhere in here. Let me find out where that is. I can't see the box, but somewhere around 504. 4. So somewhere around 537 potentially. So that tells me IB at 523. I have to be careful. We only got to about 15 points or so. Okay, so potential reversal candle here on the 15. Yeah? Yep. Or a move up. So just want to be careful. So I'm going to go to break even there. I still like IB as a target. If we can get above, on the 15 minute, get above 507, that would be a good thing.
Yeah.
All right, so let me get rid of that. Okay. And let's go to back to a 2 minute. I put these a little brighter than I normally would, but that's because I wanted to see them. I didn't want to miss them. I'm tired every day of missing it. So I could probably
What's
just...
that?
Oh, the 15 minute opening range.
Ah, got it. Yeah.
So I went with chartreuse. I could probably go with like something like olive. It's a lot less dramatic. All right, so 2 minute, we got to watch because now it looks like we might be breaking this guy. We could have just came all the way up and retested that. Yep. Looks like I'm going to get taken out. Was just a little bit too high on that stop. Oops. Just not a lot on the, just not a lot of, I mean, here's a potential sell right here. I don't know if I just don't really like it. Here's a 5 minute trend line I'll throw up there. I said I would probably take a break down below here Right now it looks like we're just going to retest the 1 minute. See if we lose that. Normally this would just be a short for me, taking out the 1 minute weighted moving average, breaking the trend line. We're still in a sell gap up here. 5 minute. My midterm, I got an out on my algo on this guy on my bot. He also has a midterm. I do some calculations based on midterm and it just says choppy. Choppy, but that was a good trade. You would have taken that break. It would be 20 points. All right, we just broke this trend line. Right into the 1 minute opening range, which was right 467. That's why I didn't take it.
The days are again.
Yeah, I mean, this guy's been supporting once, twice, probably 3, 4 times now. Another damn long, that's what that was. Oh. So just being a little cautious. Bullish, Anthony, or Steven, and then you took it off. No, you were right in the beginning. It was bullish on that move up. This little move here. This is a good play. You don't need to delete it. 744, so 1044. Yeah. I mean, I was thinking bullish myself. I was thinking this move up was going to cruise on up. That's why I went long.
Yeah, I think
Nothing
you
wrong.
have to be bullish to
Oh.
make that stuff, you know.
Yeah.
But,
Okay, Nasdaq's up 100, ES is up 10. YM is, it's only down 100 now, it was down 200. I mean, can we give this 100 back? Absolutely. I would love for it to give it all back. All right, so I said I'd get short on the break of that trend line, but I'd like to get below. Here's my problem is I got 467, which is the 1 minute opening range, the high. Then below that I have VWAP. VWAP's at 459, 460, right? So I want a 1 minute close below that probably to go short. Yeah, it would have been better to get short at 477. That was probably the play right up here, right at the break of that, but actually 477 is up here, right at the break of that trend line. But I got PSTT, what is it called? PSD? What is it? I don't know, PS, whatever it is. Yeah. From freaking from this morning. So I'm scared. Yeah, I would agree. It does look a little bearish. But I'm just gonna kind of wait here and just see what happens. Be a little cautious. Would like to catch one of these little frickin' Alright, giving it a shot. Let's see. I'll bring my stop way in the hell down here. I was shooting for 403 earlier today. Let's see if I can get it today. Nope, they're gonna frickin' take me out again. You can always just almost tell. 5-minute gap way up here at 492. We got some 1-minute gaps left behind. What time is it? What do we got to take out for a silver bullet, Michael?
I think we just did.
We just did. Yep.
Yeah.
All right. So if we were going to do like a little special little deal right here. Okay, so this guy is at 478 to 481. So anytime we got there, I think it's a short. Oh, I didn't quite get there. Let me see. I'll put a sell there. Why there? Well, 477, 481, it's only 4 points. So even if we go to the top of this box, my stop is going to be way up here. Now we do have another, let's see, the 5-minute. Let me put that up there too. That's a much larger box. In fact, that one's not done yet. This candle close in 2 minutes will dictate it. So what I'm hoping for is the 1 minute will hold out. Am I playing that right? No. What the hell am I doing? Hold on. All right, we closed this one. Here, let me redo that. Okay, there's a box. Oops. And then we just had this one, which we just filled. Okay. Let me get rid of this one. Here's a big 5-minute gap. There. Let's see what happens here. What is NVIDIA doing? All right. Kind of coming down. Let's see. We have a 5-minute, nope, 15-minute gap fill. Right around 469. Yeah, suckerfish. Little W forming on the 1 minute. Arrgh. Yeah, but we didn't take out the highs, so that was my mistake. Right, we wanted to take out that high. Okay, this one's gone. Coming up into that 5-minute gap now. Should be able to see that. It's there. It's a little darker color.
So, like if you look at the Qs today,
What's that?
if you look at the triple Qs,
Yeah.
there's for exploration today, there's in terms of open interest premium,
Yep.
in the options, so there's like 30 times the amount in the calls. So which means that, you know, if it moves up, they're going to get sold. I mean, market makers are going to want it to close below.
What's the number once it closed below?
You know, I mean, at this point, it doesn't matter because at this point, although the top strikes are in the money, so the damage is probably done. Let me look at SPY. So coming into today, I mean, the open interest is 30 times on the call side. But so I think the damage is done. I mean, in terms of anybody that's short gamma or I think that it's all been hedged out. You know, SPY is like even bigger. It's like 60 times on the call side. And the damage is done. You know, all the calls are well below because you've had such a move up like that. Don't get any damage from that. Just means I just think until after lunch, this is in the mode is going to be buy dips and sell the rips, delta hedging, and then after 2 o'clock, you know, maybe there's a move, you know. So well done.
All right, good rejection towards the top of that 5-minute sell gap. And just basically something like that.
Yeah. Netflix, all go.
just 20-point whipsaws. 4 in a row. Alright, ES is up 12. YM down still 110 points. Apple's up 2. Amazon's up $1.50, $1.60. Bitcoin's up 1,500, 68.5. All right, Meta's up 3. Nvidia is up at 77. Just filled its 15-minute gap. Okay, we filled the 5-minute gap right at the top there. Probably close enough. See if we bust up above this trend line. Potentially higher we go, I guess. So which play are we going to get? Above 498. Yeah, we might come up and fill this little gap right here. See if we can get a strong move up above that. Seal that. Come on, baby, let's go. Push the move up. There we go. Filled the 5-minute gap. I don't know what kind of pattern that is. Hyper.
That's a geography pattern.
The what? I don't even know how to say it.
Charts. That's like static charts and static mics. That's the geography.
Ah.
Like rocks and ice. And
Yeah, yeah. Gaps reverse 80% of gap fills. Yeah, I mean they usually take them out. Well, well, well. Might have to revert to a 5 and 10 point strategy. Son of a gun. I mean, look at the Look at this 15-minute range. If you guys aren't looking at it already. Let me get rid of these trend lines. Get rid of that. I mean, just ugly. What are we in? 2 hours now, right? Close to 2 hours of trading. By contrast, this was yesterday. 1 hour. Right here, 2 hours. This long down here, I guess, would have been a good play. 145 this morning, if you were up. Well, I guess I could do a little box play. So we came up. That's the high of the green, which unfortunately, I don't know. I would probably do. I'd probably keep it I'd probably do something like that. Just keep all the bodies in there. That's where we keep the bodies. And then switch over to a 5-minute. And then I think what I would do is say, oops, wrong chart. Say, well, if we, well, see, it wasn't even a good play right in here. Waited till 5-minute close. You immediately got taken back out. All right, there you go. 497. That would be the gap of the 5-minute. We came right up to 502 roughly. Let me see what the high was. 502.25 came right up to the 15-minute opening range break and then started retreating. So let's do this. Can I get it a little lower? I'd like to. So 15-minute, yeah, there's no 15-minute gap to go down to. Maybe I can come down here to the bottom of the top of that box. All right, there we go. See if we can hold above it this time. There we go. Got into protect mode. If we get to 400, I'll... see, can't even get up that high. Maybe I should just take something. Look at that. Great. Mm-hmm. Yep. Bar timer, come on, where you at? Still like that. Still like the 502 break. One of these is going to go. Hopefully I'm along for the ride. We'll try one last time. Yeah, we'll take it at the top of here. See if we can get that. All right, got minute 5. Or no, I'm sorry, new 5-minute candle. 15 minutes has 5 more left. Okay, close the gap is 501. Okay, there's the 5-minute gap fill. Come on. Well, kick back and retested 502. Maybe that was the last push down. You got bumped off again, Michael. I don't know why.
We're still here or not?
Yep. All right, top of the bear zone. Let's go. Push it, baby. Give me 520. 521. You can do it. I don't know. Maybe you can't. I don't know. There we go. Get some Momo to the upside. Let's go.
Yeah, you can do it. Yeah. There you go.
Fucker. Unbelievable. Come on, let's go. 520. 521. How was that? At least I got one trade in, huh?
Yep, you kept trying and eventually, but it's tough. It's not easy.
All right, I'm setting up some other screens here for the trade.
Good trade.
Oh, fucker.
There's the ID break.
Yep. Come on now, let's go. Nope, not going to make it. Oh, tried to get out. Should have just hit the frickin' close button. No IB breakage. It was worth a shot. Big 5-minute wick. 46 seconds left. Could be a reversal candle. See what happens here. Got that little 2-minute trend line. 5-minute coincides pretty well. Coming up to the 15-minute opening range break. You just hit it. Do a little bouncy bounce. I'm going to hold off on my short just for a second. See if I can jump in right there. See if I can get anything out of this. Knowing that I got a 1-minute opening range break at 491. I'm going to probably get taken out of one, but I'll protect one there. $5.11. Probably go just a little bit higher. Back inside that box. See if we can come out the bottom of that box, huh? Yeah, Stephen, I was long. I tried to take the opening range breakout trade. Well, I got long here. Tried to take out the opening range. Didn't take out. Didn't really get much out of that. 23 to 29. We're kind of holding up at the 1-minute opening range. See if we can drop that. Come on down to VWAP at 465. See if we can turn some of these buyers into sellers. That would be my goal. But nope, it's just sloppy. Let me see, what's the top? So on the bear zone, this is the 50% is 492. So right where the 1 minute opening range is, or the weighted moving average, sorry. 1 minute weighted moving average. Yeah, that was 502. Gonna bounce here. All right, new 5 minute candle. The low on the previous one was 502.50, so we could come back up and retest the 15 minute opening range break high. We're also kind of taking a 1 minute trend line, busting down, busting above it. Same with the 2 minute for the most part on a very steep line. I don't really like that line, but it's there. If you're saying, well, maybe you're not in the trade now, maybe you wanted to be, or maybe you're going to wait for a better entry, you know, you could always take something like, you know, this new one just formed, so that's a potential. I think I got to be up a little bit higher, or I'll just get wicked. I'll go with something like that. Uh-oh. There we go. Come on, let's see if we can get some couple decent trades. Okay, you got to watch the bottom of the bear zone here, in case we want to, you know, have that be used as support. You can see it's kind of held up, except for this little guy. Actually, that little garbage right there. Those are 20-point candles, roughly. So I could do this, probably about where we're at. Could do something like that, and let's say that's support. Right, because I could probably drive that all the way across. Say, you know, that actually doesn't look too bad right there. Maybe even something like that. What is that number? 475. So I'll drop my stop down a little bit, try to protect a little. Would have liked to have gotten down to VWAP 465. 2-minute gap. The 5-minute gap will be 489. Still have a minute left on that one. We could still come down. Let's see. There we go. Got 45 seconds left, so I'd like to fill this 5-minute candle out in red color if we can. "32 seconds, not much left." Here's the 5-minute I'm looking at. I'd like to see it come down. There we go. I got other plays I'm doing. I'm trying to protect at 10 points now. Something better than nothing. All right. So new 5-minute candle. I didn't get quite what I wanted to. If I was smart, I would probably be somewhere like this. You know, see if we get the wick fill at 89, 88, 89, somewhere in there. We got 86.25. See if we can break that previous candle's low, somewhere around here. You know, we could come up and hit that 1-minute weighted again. Come on. Let's give one decent trade today. 2, 3, or something. Yeah, no problem. It's a hold. I mean, right now in the 1-minute, I was just looking at it, and I don't even have to draw the line, but you know, I go from the bottom and then say something to that effect, right? And that realistically, you could probably even do another short if you weren't in. Here, I'll line it up with my 1-minute. Something like that. There's just so much noise in here. From 1-minute gaps to 5-minute gaps to 3-minute gaps. I mean, there's just gaps, sell gaps. So it's just, and they're trying to fight through it. It's just tough. It's just the way it is. All right, we drop below that 5-minute candle now at 373.75, and hopefully we can take out, go down to VWAP below and take out VWAP. Okay, 89. I'm gonna try to bring my stops down. Got some PAs. We double bottom there so far. I'm gonna get rid of that little candle because our little line is in my way. Come on, 467. Let's dump it, man. Let's get below I don't know what 456 is. Is that my line? Yeah, that's my box. Got to get below this box, right? Even though we punched up above it this time, once, twice, we took out the previous high, which was good. Now we'd have to take out, yeah, probably right there, 452. It's a little late in the day. Maybe it'll be a 1 o'clock or something. Yeah, baby. That's what we want. Ideally, 467, right at VWAP. This would normally be like my target. Like I would put a target right here and just say, you know, I'd be happy with that. And what would that give you? I'm going to hopefully move it out of the way. You know, it's 30 points, so it's not a bad play. I'm actually hoping for 403. Well, actually, this would be even a better play right here. It's either the pivot right here or the 50% of overnight. So if I had my choice, I would take it there. 15-minute opening range break low. I mean, that could be interesting. That's also IB low. So got a few things going on here. I don't know if this is going to be a down day. Yeah, no. ES is up 13 still. We're up 108. So the only thing I can do is just keep on trying to move targets down. I could probably get rid of that little line for that gap fill in the 5-minute. The 15-minute, it kind of filled its gap too, close enough, 489. We did get a low there, just not a very convincing low, right? I mean, just there's no energy to the downside. Doesn't, at least it doesn't appear that way to me. I mean, and now I got us breaking. Let's go back to a 2-minute real quick. Come on, where you at? I don't want to lose. There we go. Yeah, so you can see there's a line up here. Let's get rid of that. Let's draw that. I mean, again, I don't like it because it's so sharp, such a sharp move down, but it doesn't really matter what I like. On the 1 minute, it's a little easier to tolerate. So I don't like this at all. This could just be a breakup right here. So I'm going to just take some profit. I'll just set my thing down where I'm okay with taking 13 points. I think that's what it comes down to. 84, yeah, 84.50. That's a good. I think that's a good place to go. I don't like it, but I got to take what I can get. I mean, I could even do something like that. Even that's starting to break that one. I mean, I really don't have anything up here to the upside to say, okay, I can hide behind that. Right? The 1 minute weighted way up here, the 9. We're right at the 9 EMA on the 1 minute, 479. You know, if I was going to hide behind the 21, that would be at 489. Yeah. I don't play the EMAs. I think I did years ago. Oh, you guys can't hear me? Test 1 2 3.
Yes, 1, 2, 3.
Oh no, I'm good. I mean, I hear me. I mean, if I go to My YouTube, I can. There you go.
My YouTube, I can.
See, I can hear myself. Okay, very good. Thank you, Yoko. Thank you, Systematic. So, Hyper, maybe you muted me. I don't blame you. All right, so that's what I was worried about a little bit. Might have been taken out. Bam. Too bad. I had really had some high hopes. Right. Even if I went to here, wouldn't matter. Something like that. Don't like it one bit. Not one bit. I just checked, Michael, you're live, so everything looks good on my end. I do not hear you if you are talking. All right, damn it. So should I take in this trade? I mean, we're up 117, so the longs is what you want to take, right? Oh, I didn't want to, though. Let me take one off here. Oh, come on, get back up there. I'll just take one off. I eat the 35, 40 bucks, 50. Down, down, down. Okay, we got 3 down and 2 up. It's just choppy. Oh. Template, save, default. That's what I was trying to hide behind. Okay, came down to the 1 minute opening range and bounced. There's the 1 minute opening range. I don't know what that is. All right. Anyway, there's the 1 minute opening range high. So we got pretty close. VWAP right underneath it. Little turd. All right, so now I think what I would do is, let me check this. Let me check something out here. Oh, I don't know what happened to that. Okay, this is what I'm watching is this trend line here. Right below VWAP. So I'll take that just about every time. Okay, we are dropping back below the bear zone. See if we can get any Momo now to the downside. Okay, we're down below the 1 minute opening range. 54, so 53 is the 50% of the 1 minute opening range. Here's at 38 is the opening range low on the 1 minute. Come on, let's drop it on down. Gosh darn it, come on. I'm just playing too tight. Okay, 15-minute short would have been 473. Oh, you took me out, huh? Okay. I mean, this could just be another low, higher low, right? I think somebody pointed that out earlier. Very, very likely. In fact, that's what it looked like it's turning into. Oh, come on, baby. 5-minute gap is at 472. And we just came up and tagged it. And see if we want to go higher. Okay, we do have a new 15-minute. We close that 15-minute gap. Pretty sure. Oh, maybe not. Very close to it. The low was 473.75. We got pretty close to it. Got to get back below VWAP here. Okay. Now we need to drop it like it's hot. Okay, first target will be 453. That'll be the 50% of the 1 minute opening range. Also the bottom of that box right there. I'm going to go ahead and go into protect mode because I haven't done shit today. I'm sorry, I haven't done anything today. Okay. Woohoo! $150. Hey. Alright, dropping out the bottom of that box to see if we can get some momentum now. I'm going to go to break even on some other stuff. But doesn't look like I'm going to get much. Come on, baby. Drop down. We need to take out the lows, man. 432. Let's see if we can get that. That would be pretty big. Right, so if I wanted to draw something on my charts to keep me occupied, I'd say, dude, you got to get below this guy. And then you need, well, we already got that one. And then this guy. There we go. Let's get rid of this. Okay, so we came right down to the 50% of 452. So we hit that target. The low of 453, close enough. 52.75 is what I had. And we're doing a little bouncy bounce. Hopefully we don't bounce up too much. Otherwise, once again, I get nothing for this trade, $140. Better than a sharp stick in the eye, I guess. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm playing for, that 15-minute. You know, once we dropped 459, we dropped 474, 473 roughly. But man, just no juice. I mean, very little juice to the downside. You know, so if I'm looking, you know, I want to break these two guys so I can get my lower lows in. And then I want to come down to the probably the 15-minute opening range, our IB low. But you have, what do you call it? CPR right here. Right? So the central pivot range being right here from 435 down to about 401. So it's about a 35-point range, I believe. Yeah. But we're getting a little bounce up. What do you know? Oh. I mean, realistically, I could try to hide behind the opening range high, which is right around there, or even VWAP, above VWAP. It's not going to matter. There you go. Damn you. And I probably needed to be up at 474. Let's try that again. I'll just go in with one this time. No, maybe not. Just hold off a second. Let's see what happens. Okay, we're at opening range high, 1 minute. I'll just take him right there. My stop will be right above the bear zone, which maybe we want to go back in and start riding back up, I guess. Okay, so if I take my trend line down, bam, bam, and yeah, what are we doing? We're breaking above. So now I really want to tighten my stop up and say I'm not so bearish anymore. Oh, TraderVate just rebooted. Wow. I was like, what the heck just happened? Oh. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on. My charts are going a little wonky. Let me get rid of that, clean it up a little bit. All right, back fighting VWAP. Actually, we're above VWAP. Just bounced on VWAP. Live to fight another day. What do you know? Well, we're not over yet. Come on, baby. Let's go. Okay. How much time I got left? We've got 1 minute, 1 second left. I got to set up some other charts for other trades. And just for self-preservation, I'll come down a little bit tighter on my stop. Everywhere. Because if this 5 minute closes green and up, yeah, I got to think we're going to go higher. So we're kind of stuck in this little area right here. Five seconds. I don't know how I feel about this 5 minute candle. How do you feel about this 5 minute candle, Michael? Oh, you can't hear me. Well, I got stopped out of that one. I still have a couple other riding. They must have been up a tick or two above that. So let's see, do I want to take this? Are we going higher? Okay, we are below VWAP. Not convincingly. Just kind of meandering. Oh.
Yeah. Did you make some profit?
No, my P&L says no. I mean,
P&L says no?
yeah, I might have made some. I don't know.
Yeah.
But I'm still down.
It's tough in your downside.
Yeah. It's just like, come
Unless you
on.
caught it at the top, it's like, you know, you jump in and then you get it's just a...
Correct. Very precise trading you have to be doing today. Actually, I don't even know if precise is the word for it.
Yeah, I tried to distract myself so I didn't take any trades.
Yeah. It's a good play.
Only win the weekend and it hasn't even started yet.
Yeah.
Well, at least you're out of the bear zone.
Yeah. So here we go. I don't know if, you know, I got to do some protect mode. I got to take some trades and move them down, smooth the stops down. Come on, baby. Give me 440. I would take 440. Actually, I would rather take IB down here at 432 would be better. right? Maybe we can get a nice move down here. I don't know.
Fed speaker speaking now. Yeah.
Great. I mean, I got other shorts going on. Like I got one at 560, 460, just about where I'm at on this main trade. And it's like, okay, where can I, and I'm trying to play it super tight on this account. It's like, where can I put my stop, right?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm up, what am I up? $150. I can't capture, I mean, I can't go anywhere because that's only like 7 points and I'll get taken out. But I don't want just 5 points. I want it to go down to 34 and fucking give me a good 20 pointer, right? It's just it doesn't move fast enough to get anything really going. All right, so I dropped it down to 47, 48, and I'll just take that. I just took it. Because we could come back up to 59 here, which is what it looks like we're going to do. All right. Damn you. All right, we should be coming up to 59 now. Oh, couldn't get out. Damn it. Just hit the close button. Come on. 57, 58, somewhere in there. 59 would be better. Still have plenty of time to come back down to. Yeah, maybe that's all we get to the upside. Down by 2 points. Missed the 5-minute gap close by 2 points. There we go. Oh, come on, as far as I want to go right there. Damn it. Oh, we might be going for a long here. Oh. Well, that might have been all for the downside. Back above VWAP could be we hit both of these guys, so we kind of put a low in, or broke at least out of the lower highs, higher lows. All right. My chart says go short. That's the first time it's popped up since 1 o'clock this morning. So potentially we got a little change of character. I'll go long above VWAP. It's a 1 minute. 1 minute trend line. I can get rid of this guy. We've already retested. We should have kissed it goodbye. Let's look at the 5 minute real quick. Get rid of that. Could have got your 30 points there. 55 total. Yep. So 5 minute, we could do something like, I don't know, I would probably go with the body. Let's just get rid of that for right, well, in a minute. That's why it's still, if we're going to go long, I'm going to wait for it to get above probably 467.50. Yep. But we're still up 96 points, so could just be a buy the dip scenario. They're going to play around with VWAP, more than likely. Probably nothing pisses me off more than somebody using a blower on dirt. It's like, get a rake and frickin' rake it.
I can't even hear it.
I can hear it. It's louder than hell. But the point is all he's doing is kicking dirt up, which is going over, you know, if you have a car outside, your patio furniture. I mean, it's just ridiculous. It's like, dude, get a freaking rake. I have no problem with using a blower. Just using a blower on dirt makes no sense to me. My yard guy knows better. I mean, it irks me so much I want to go out there and yell at the guy. Which is totally out of character for me. Well, it's going to be like, what, a frickin' 2-hour trade right here to get 10 points. I'm going to just stop out. Stop out. I'll wait. See what this guy does. I don't like it. We still got cumulative delta is still heading down on the 1 minute and the 5 minute. As you can see, I actually like to put a trend line on the delta here. And let's see what this one does. I mean, we're kind of going negative. I don't know. Maybe this was just to expand the trend out. I mean, because really this trend line should be right here, if anything. And that's just ugly. But right here, no, even there it doesn't look good. That's why I like the body. Makes it a little more sense. Oh. All right, 5 minute potential reversal candle. I couldn't take the short until we got below 54, 454. The way I look at it is that candle, 454 or 468 for the long. All right, Michael, you got a 50-50 chance. Which way you say? Quick, got to be quick. Just say high or low.
Chance?
What?
50-50 chance?
Yeah, what do you say? Flip a coin.
For what, like a 10-point move?
No, just to go short or go long above the prior 5 minute.
Sure.
Okay. There's your call.
I don't know.
Dude, you got 50-50 chance. It doesn't matter whether you're right or wrong.
Yeah, I say short, but
Okay.
but it may only give you. I'm not expecting a huge move either way.
Because right now we're right in the middle.
10-point trade, I go short.
Yep. Okay. Because we're right in the middle, so it doesn't matter. All right, so we pop over VWAP and then pop over that number. It could be a long. And then we definitely got it. Huh?
The Dow's in way for its losses, so.
Yep. ES is up 17 now.
Yeah, so you gotta be probably bullish just based on the tape. So.
Yeah.
But my little super trend is still red, still negative. So.
Okay. I need to do polls, get people involved. There's X amount of people. Throw a poll up, says, what do you guys think? Anonymous poll. All you gotta do is just say yes or high or short or long. What are you eating? Yogurt?
Yeah, cereal.
Oh.
Cereal with bananas.
Oh.
Gotta fuel up. If I'm gonna go for a run, I gotta get something in there.
Yeah. All right, I got my take profit trader up 620 today after I took a beating yesterday. but he's still $540 away. I might take that short. I don't know yet. That would be at 454. Maybe you got a little rotation. People are jumping out at NQ, and let's see. I'd love for him to give this whole 90 points back. That would get me excited. All right, so I'm going to order me another one of those mini PC i9s, 32 gigs.
you are?
Huh?
You are going to get one?
Yep.
Are they on sale or not?
No, they're $475. I could probably wait for them to be on sale, but
Hold on a sec. $475 for the i9?
yep.
That's pretty freaking good.
Yeah. Hold on, let me just double check. This is what I paid. I paid $474 last time. No, I didn't. I had to pay a little more because I got 64. But there's a mini PC i9. Hold on, I gotta keep an eye on this guy. Okay, 468. Windows 11, 32 gigs, DDR4, 1 terabyte SSD. 3 monitors.
Which brand?
Well, this one says Kinupute. Kinupute. Now they have a... Yeah, this might be more like it. 618 for a 64 gig. So I'm looking for a long here. I might be taking this. I think 467 might be my entry. 468 if we get above that. But we're fighting VWAP right here. Typical. So I actually want to buy on the pullback.
Yeah.
If I can. We do have a gap fill 1 minute down to 461. We came down to 462.75. So it'd be cool if we drop back down there. I might consider that. Yeah, I'm gonna retire my old PC. I mean, because the fan noise is just getting crazy. I could just replace the fan, I guess. Well, no, it won't, because the fan is trying to keep the CPU cool. So she ramps up and down. You know, unless I guess I could probably get a bigger fan or put another fan system on the back side to keep it cool. But all I'm doing is trying to put lipstick on a pig, right? So I'd be better off.
God, we look at this. I don't know what this brand was. I don't know what this brand is. It's an i9, 32 gigs of RAM, 512 SSD.
Yep.
It's $519 with $100 coupon, so $419.
Or is that on Amazon?
Yeah, it's crazy.
What's the brand name?
It says GB90, George David 90.
Okay, I'll look at that. Yeah, I don't need any.
The brand is actually Code Mix. Kodlix.
Code Mix. Yeah, because I don't need anything, you know, to put Trading View on and. I don't need much. I just want to update that PC. Besides that, it's a big old freaking desktop, right? I mean,
Yeah.
and those little micros, man. Shit, I got one right here in front of me that's, you know, what is it, 8 inches? Well, maybe more than that. 10.
Yeah, this is probably one of the best buys I've ever had when it comes to computers.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, and the law firm that my wife works at, they're all, this is all they buy. They only use these mini computers.
Yeah.
and laptops. You give them laptops that use minis. I mean, unbelievable.
Yeah, I mean, they're I love mine.
Yeah, same. It's amazing.
Yep. I mean, it's kind of same system as like a Mac Mini, right? Which I've got a Mac Mini here. I just need to update that one also.
But yeah, I mean, who would have thought for this cost? I mean, you would have paid for what I got. I would have, if I'd gone into Best Buy, I would have paid, you know, 3 times.
Yeah. Oh no, I got this i9 Mini right beside me. I mean, it's got a little fan in there, I think, but I never heard it.
Yeah, it's quiet. Huh?
Yeah, quiet. It does put out a little bit of heat, but I got it on its stand. It's just sitting upright.
Not bad.
No, it's a bargain.
It's not bad.
And I think I paid $600 for that one. Six
This
something.
one you can get for $450.
Yeah, that's not bad. All right, we made it above the 1 minute weighted there. Made it above VWAP.
I'm glad my short never played out.
What was that?
I'm glad the short never triggered.
Yeah.
That's why you don't cheat.
Nope. That's right. I mean, what'd I take? 468.75.
Yep. Perfect.
All right, we're hitting some kind of resistance here. Looks like a 5 minute gap. Just can't tell where it's from. I got so many in this area. Come on, stay above the 1 minute weighted.
Yeah. Forgot about that one.
So 10 points is 78. It's a little high for me. I don't want to be right there. I'd have been taken out. Yeah, we could come down, shit, all the way back down to VWAP. Come on. Let's do something. ES up 18. YM is positive at 2. 1, 2. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I've been on the 5 minute this whole time. Why don't I switch over to the 2 minute? Yeah, I just didn't like any of this. Actually, that would have pointed the right play right there, down there at the bottom, 450. Could have got in like 18 points ago. Come on. You can do it. Well, it's been a weird trading day today, as it always is on options expiration, our quad riching hour. Excuse me. People are dropping like flies.
Who is?
I don't know.
Or feeling 500.
What's that?
So give you five. I'm asking the market to give you 500.
Yeah, wouldn't that be cool? All right, getting ready for a new 5-minute candle here in a minute.
This the first tick long.
All right, so where's protect at? Protect is right there, I think. Come on, keep going. You can do it.
These longs, you got to be so patient with, man.
Yep.
Stay out of the way.
Closing the 5-minute gap fill. Big 15-minute gap fill, so we could come all the way down.
That's protected.
Yep, that would be at 469. Oh, almost got me. Stay away. Stay away.
Wow, just missed you, right?
Yeah.
You're hiding in that gap, but like by a ticket.
Yeah, the low was 483.25. I was at 483.
Yeah.
One tick. That's all it takes.
That's all you need.
Yep.
Give you 500. Be so patient.
Oh. Oh, this guy's funny. You're a funny man. Did you see my text? Come on, baby, let's go. Going back up to target 1 on the 1-minute opening range at 497. One minute left on the 5 and 11 minutes left on the 15. Ooh, they could play a lot of games now. I think I'll do is I will, oh, right there. I'll take, think they come down to 90? Yeah, they could. I'll try 89. So close, yet so far. Just needed 5 more points. Could still get it.
7 points, which feels like an eternity.
Yep. See if we can get back above that 15-minute opening range. High 15-minute. Oh, come on, baby. Oh. Got a new 5-minute. I don't know. Should I bring it down to 497? Yeah, I'll bring it down to 497. There you go. I'm above 500 now. Can you get it? Can you get it?
Did I miss you again?
Yep. So far, it's going to get me. There you go. Bam, bam. Yay! It's like shit. You know, it's a tough day when you get excited about a...
You're out of that trade, right?
Yep.
You know, I still see your P&L on stuff, I guess.
Oh, you son of a bitch. There you go. I was trying to get some sound effects going. Some confetti flying in the chat room. Yeah.
Yeah, it's confetti. No.
All right.
The most fun.
Huh?
That's fun to send off the confetti like that.
All right.
Yeah.
I still got a trade. I still long in one of my PAs. I didn't take the 497.
Huh.
I had a 502. Probably should have taken that. That would have been nice. I'll try to lock in 497 if I can. Still got 2 minutes on the 5-minute. We've got 7 minutes left on the 15, so we could still do a lot of things. And maybe even bust up above 500 here and to the moon, baby, to the moon. Now, just to put it on a trade, I'll take one right here. Just one contract. There you go. I'm up 500 on my PA. So, at least on this trade. 15-minute open range break high.
Yep.
501. All right, good trade above VWAP. Took that long. That was a good trade. Now that I see hindsight, could have been in down here somewhere, but still it was a risky trade. Still, this would have been another proper setup. Even though if you took it here at 467, the low at 454, so it would have been about a 13-point hold. Oops. That might have been a little better. See if we can break out above these highs. $528. Up 680 now on a PA count, which is good. Okay, 50% of that big wick right there. Oops. On my 5-minute. That big wick is 50%. It's 531. 531. No, it can't be 531. 522. We're just about there. So I'd be watching that area for a pullback. All right, there's 20, 21, 22. We got there. I'm taking profit on my PA up at 830. We didn't quite get there, did we? All right, I'm out. And we got to 521.50, close enough. Let me put this guy up here also. Okay, we're closing the 1-minute gap right there. I'm going to put him at 512. I wish I would have brought my target down a little bit. But there you go. So another good trade. Okay, I'm going to try to take an IB break here. Buy stop. Right above my target, so if I get it, if it keeps going up, come on, don't kick me out. Oh, okay, that's all right. That was just a little cheap play, taking it off the 500 break or the IB 15-minute open range, so I'm good with that. Tux, new thermal paste. I'm not sure what that refers to. Something I was talking about, probably. All right, so what I was looking at on the 5-minute, reason why I wanted to take profit, and this account was down in the hole $500 or something, is this wick right here. Michael taught me this. So I wanted to look to see, okay, where potentially could we go and reject? And the 50% of the wick is usually a good one. And you can see it was 521.75, 522, and our high there was 521. So thank you, Michael, once again. Got me for the most part to get out on the high.
What's that?
Said for the most part, got me to get out at the high. And I would have, you know, yeah, it was 20 points. right? I mean, now we're busting down. See if we bust through this trend line. 2-minute chart. There we go. The game might be afoot. Good rejection there. Wow. Okay. Do we take that trade?
Mm-hmm.
Well, we got a 2-minute trend line break. So
Yeah.
saying, do we take that trade or do we say, no, look at this frickin' move up, dude. This was a pretty strong move up. Don't take that shit trade.
Yeah, I don't know if you can take that trade now.
No. I mean, if anything, you can do something like this, and I could say, well, all will set up for something like that, right?
Yeah.
But don't take it on the break, because...
We'd rather see it come up a little bit and reject again. I mean.
Yeah. Well, we just took out the... Well, we didn't quite get all the way for the 1-minute gap fill. At least on the first one.
Yeah, there's a 1-minute gap. Yeah.
So 2 gap fills that I watch for, 5 minutes and 1 minute. I used to look at the 3-minute. I know Michael still does, don't you?
Yep.
But I give up on the 3-minute. Nothing wrong with the 3-minute. But you know, when I'm observing and I see more trades being taken and done with on the 1-minute and the 5-minute than anything. So I kind of said, well, I can't watch them all. My chart will get too cluttered up if I try to watch everything. So...
Well, I mean, you can look at the 5, and if there's no gap, then I think you can go down to the 3.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
Thank you. That 50% wick thing was just, you know, I know you used it in a different context, but I look at it whenever there's a big wick, I look at it and say, man, where's 50% at? That's where potential rejection is.
Yeah, you're talking about that previous week, right?
Yeah, on the 5 minutes. So
11:30.
here, let me see. Is that what time it was? Yeah, 11:35. Yep, 11:30.
If you look on the 5-minute chart.
Yes. That's what I showed up there.
Yep. That's 5-minute wick.
Yep. And 522 was this 50%. We came up to, what's the high there? 2150. So pretty damn close.
Yep.
All right, so I might take this short here. Well, I'm going to take it. I'm in it now. Base hits. I'm going to take I'll just shoot for 20. See if I can get 20. That PA's done. I'm not going to mess with that baby anymore. Thank you very much. Okay. Let's go to this PA right there. Okay, 1 minute gap fill up here at 97. I think so. The low, 98.50, sorry. Okay, retest. Retested the trend. This 5 minutes looking kind of greenish. Not so goodish for the shortage. Come on, let's get some red color. Got a minute left on the 5. Oh, I don't like this. So 15 minutes got a lot of time left. 11 minutes. And it's got a little bit of a wick now, but chances are I just need to get out of this trade. So I'm just going to hit the close button. And I think if we stay below 502, there's some potential, but we do have some 1 minutes up on top there. Just because there's so much time left on the 15-minute, and I don't see that thing turning around, turning into a red monster. There's a 1 minute gap there. Here's a little bitty 1 minute gap there. But we're moving higher. Got a nice 5 minute gap up. Potential good reversal there. All right, so that wicked up there, cut him loose. Let's put him down there. Hitting the next 1 minute gap. Yeah, this is looking strong though. It looks like we're gonna make the move up. Yep, that would be my guess. So where can I get in? I missed it. I missed this move down. Oh, because I'm on the frickin' 5 minute. That's why I missed it. I didn't get 3 reds. I would have probably discounted it a little bit. But there's your move up. I don't know. Tux, are you a new guy? New guy in the room? Well, there's the move, darn it. And not so darn it. We had a pretty decent move up. Something to that effect.
Straight up.
NVIDIA straight up?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try some of these. Oh, come on, baby. If I stop, put one there. Dang it. Oh, there we go. Actually, yeah. Come on, baby, move on up there. Nope, slow-mo. Oh. What did I do? I closed that out by accident. Dang it. See if we can get that back. Well, 5 minutes. Where are we at? We got a minute left. Still going to paint a pretty good sized green candle. 35 seconds. Come on, let's move up. We got a gap fill at 506. So if I can, I'll bring this guy down to 5010 or 510, whatever I can get it down to. So 506 is right here. See if we can, well, once we get a new candle. That's probably going to want to make a move up a little bit and then come down. There. So we got above that 1 minute gap fill, which could offer some support here. I'd like it to come down and fill that gap at 506. Like the 15 minutes looking pretty bullish. All right, let's see what it got. What do you have for us today? Come on, push it. 513. So 10 points, so 518. Yeah. Damn it.
Be right there.
Huh?
I'll be right there.
Okay.
You with it?
Yep. Yep, I hear you. Gotten awfully quiet in here. It's because I got a few trades going. And I'm setting up for a couple down at 507, 506 area. That's why I moved the one that stops up in case I get taken out. case we move down, right? There you go. I'll take both of them off if, and then I would do a 507 somewhere in there. All right, I'm going to get rid of that. We got a new 5-minute out, and we moved right into a buy gap right there, right below. So something I'm looking at is up on top here, something like that. Okay, not a big fan of this 5-minute, which is a potential reversal candle. Got a new 15-minute. Oops, that high on that 15 is 2150. So 52150, right? Yeah, way up there. Wow. Okay, so no gap fill in the 15-minute. We're in a gap fill in the 5-minute right here. So that's why I wanted to take the trade off. Time is it? Oh yes, past the time. Okay, if reversal on the 5-minute paid out. 511. 10 points. Kind of breaking the trend line, and also the 15-minute opening range break high. Almost want to take one. Oh, I'm glad I didn't. See if we get back up there. Yep, that was probably the long. Okay, 33 seconds. 10 minutes on the 15. 15 still good for a long. I like the long. Okay, we could come down to 8. All right, that's probably wrap things up. It's getting really slow. Not a good day for me. I still got a buy signal on the 15, but I should have took my advice from last night, which was not to trade today. Or trade very, very small. Even play micros would have been better. So it is what it is. All right, thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. And hopefully we'll get them tomorrow. Have a little better day tomorrow. Okay, thanks.
Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rising, let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfolding like a thunderstorm show. Let that profit rain, let me feel it flow. NASDAQ dreamers don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. NASDAQ dreamers don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rising, let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfolding like a thunderstorm show. Let that profit rain, let me feel it flow. NASDAQ dreamers, don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom, show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. NASDAQ dreamers, don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom, show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rising, let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfolding like a thunderstorm show. Let that profit rain, let me feel it flow. NASDAQ dreamers, don't give up, no way.